If you've sent an SMS campaign, it's important that you take a look at the reporting and see how it's doing. In this short video, we'll show you where you can find your SMS reporting data. To begin, click Channels and choose SMS from the drop-down. From there, click Details next to the SMS campaign you want to view. On this page, you can see all of the details about your SMS campaign. You can see who it was sent from, the SMS message, who it was sent to, and its current status. You can view the performance data. You can see how many text messages were sent, the percentage of successful deliveries, and the click rate if you included a link in your text message. Use this data to create future SMS campaigns and get even better results. For example, monitor the unsubscribe rate of your SMS campaigns. If you see a trend of increasing unsubscribe rates, try segmenting your lists so you can send more tailored SMS messages. And that's how you can view your SMS campaign reporting with Constant Contact.